Hello, my name is Hannah Ralston, and I am so excited to talk to you about some of Natura Bissé's best sellers. This is going to give you that glow all day long and keep you looking young and youthful. Let's get started by turning up your music, enjoy this me moment, and having a moment just for you. We are gonna start by using your headband that you got in your box. This is going to be perfect to keep the hair out of your face and make you feel like you're really enjoying that spa moment. In order to start with a really great routine, it all starts with cleansing. Really, cleansing is 50% of your routine, so choosing a really great cleanser that's not going to strip the skin but still remove all that dust, bacteria, and pollutants is key. The Diamond Luminous Rich Luxury Cleanser is going to do just that. It is really a micro-emulsion glycerin, so you apply it dry hands, dry face, no water at first. Really go around the eyes, get in the crevices of the nose. Give yourself that ritual of cleansing and doing something good for you. Once you've really gotten into the pores, you're going to add water to your hands, re-emulsify it, and remove it with the Natura Bissé cleansing sponges. These are Natura Bissé's best kept secret. They are amazing. They really grab all of that cleanser from the skin and make you feel refreshed. After you've cleansed, we need to tone. Toning is going to balance out the skin's pH level. You mist it directly onto the skin and then just pat it into the skin, and it's going to help provide a luminous glow to the skin. Also really helps with any hyperpigmentation or discoloration. Once you've cleansed and toned, we need to exfoliate. Exfoliation is key. The Diamond Glyco Extreme Peel is going to help with fine lines, wrinkles, hyperpigmentation. It really does it all. You're going to apply it all over to the face, neck, and décolleté, leave it on for 15 minutes. What's really nice is that it completely self-neutralizes after 15 minutes, so you can't hurt your skin if it accidentally stays on a little bit longer. If you notice some tingling, that's okay too. It will dissipate in just a few minutes. Keep it on. Once you remove the Natura Bissé Diamond Glyco Extreme Peel, again, using your sponges because they are going to remove everything from the skin without causing irritation, you want to make sure that you apply a really good eye cream. Eye creams are something that a lot of the times people wait too long to use. The Diamond Extreme Eye Cream is a smart eye cream. You really want to make sure that you're applying a little pea-sized amount onto your fingers. Start from the inside of the eye out, really focusing on the crow's feet. Do a little bit of tapping if you suffer from some puffiness. This is really going to help just drain any extra fluid toward the heart to help with the depuffing under the eye area. Last but not least, when it comes to your skincare routine, we have our Diamond Extreme Rich Cream. This cream is going to change the overall appearance of the skin. It's a smart cream. So it's really gonna provide that hydration throughout the entire day without feeling super heavy on the skin. When I say it's a smart cream, it really targets exactly what your skin needs specifically for you. Who doesn't want something that's created specifically for your skin? I know I do. That really concludes the entire facial when it comes to the products that you have in your ritual box. But let's not forget our Diamond Well Living Detox Oil. Give yourself that sense of that Mediterranean aromas, really applying it all over the arms, the hand. You can even do it when the glyco's sitting on the skin, focusing on pressure points on the arms, on the hands, especially because we're always texting. This is gonna help relieve a lot of tension from the hands and the arms. And really it's something that's overlooked a lot that can really just kind of give that whole entire body a sense of relief. So thank you again for joining us in supporting the Ricardo Fisas Natura Bissé Foundation.